Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at the community designs tab. Now in order to locate this tab you need to select create design, select the fast AI image designer, and to the top all the way to the right we have the tab community designs. Once you select this you will see a stream of images, okay, or essentially designs by all members of part of the platform. Now, you don't necessarily have to access this or even share your own designs as previously shown in personal design section. So if you had a design, you want to keep it private, you can, or if you want to share it with the community that it's something that you would love to provide more value and insight to the community, you can simply select make it public, and just like that it will be made public and within the stream. Now, the reason for having a tab like community designs is it allows the community to share designs, and when I mean designs of all different niches, categories, there are people from all around the world that have different hobbies, interests, and design requirements. Now, the amazing thing about having a tab like this, it's like a mastermind, like brainstorming. There may be graphics and designs that are congruent with your own industry or niche, or maybe a niche or industry you never thought of. It allows you to come and see what others are doing and see the advanced possibilities that are what's possible when it comes to artistly. I mean, just looking at this image here, we have a silhouette of this individual here, and you can see embedded in the body of the lady to the left side is another image laid within an image. Now, the amazing thing with something like this is that you can download it, and just imagine if you wanted to recreate something like this, you can use Mirror Magic. Okay, by simply taking the image you can actually use it in Mirror Magic, or something like this, we can take the prompt itself instead of asking the person, because it's shared in the community designs, and you can recreate your own version of said image that you see in this section. And there's some really beautiful images here. You can just see the different levels of what's being created, and what's more important is that you will see that when it comes to the design prompt, you can see what people are specifically entering in this section that will give you ideas to sculpt similar style images that you may not be able to get on your first go. So it just shows you how people are changing the prompts, and it'll give you that inspiration and feedback how you can further enhance and get the best prompts possible. Okay, so you can model what's already working and just take great examples from other individuals. And as we scroll down, and if there's anything that may be a little bit untoward, you can always report designs. However, there is a good fail-safe filtering system that kind of captures any kind of images that may not be suitable. However, you can just see so many beautiful designs. I mean, just the level of graphics here, perfect text to image fixed design. You can see here's the prompt that they use, and we can repurpose that, and that's clearly something perfect for a t-shirt design. So that's someone that's trying to create designs for t-shirts, and you can see somebody's here creating a thumbnail, okay, for a YouTube channel. And here you can see it's likely somebody's creating these images here for a children's they may be using this with Talking Photos AI, where they want to create that into a story video. Okay, you got 1 to 10. Okay, so you got coloring books here, some really advanced level images. So it just shows you the capabilities, especially just the level of inspiration you can see just from using something like this for education here. And you can see, seamless pattern designs, I would imagine. That's what they're trying to create, or maybe for wallpaper. So these can also be used with print on design as well. And here we have something probably 9x16 for mobile. Okay, maybe YouTube as well, not YouTube, Instagram, etc, or YouTube Shorts. And here we have there's an image of a dog, probably for x-rays. Okay, so that's essentially the understanding of community designs, and it's a powerful place where you can come and take inspiration from, and it does work in conjunction with personal designs. If you do want to make things public or private, you can do so, but the default position is always going to be with community designs. The images you create are private until you allow them to be public. That's completely up to you, but you'll see a whole array of different designs made public by other members, so that's completely up to you, and that's the purpose behind the community designs tab.